We must find shelter!
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Any doors yet? Too much for couch potato head boys like yourself.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
Hello. Rolf is not amused, you. How do you say? Ducks?
Dorks!
Yes, that is what I said.
No, you said
Ducks. See, ducks. Do not fool Rolf.
Robot bounty hunter.
Hey, Magnus.
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!
You crazy?
Chickens!